Subject Science, Class 4th, Lesson Animal Reproduction, Module 1. Students, as you all know that all insects lay eggs. The young one of most insects are very different from adults. Students, do you know a cockroach goes through 3 stages in its life cycle for becoming an adult? So, I will discuss here the steps in the life cycle of a cockroach. A female cockroach lays eggs in a case in a dark and safe place. Each case has many eggs. The eggs are left to hatch on their own. Each egg hatches into a young cockroach called nymph. It looks like an adult cockroach but is much smaller and does not have wings. The nymph eats leftover food, paper, cloth, and so on. It grows bigger and sheds its skin several times before it becomes an adult. This shedding of skin is called molting. So, now I will tell you the life cycle of a frog. The mother frog lays hundreds of eggs in water. The eggs hatches into tadpoles. A tadpole is very different from an adult frog. It has a tail but no legs. It feeds on pond, wades and breathes through the feathery gills on each side of its head. After a few weeks, the legs of the tadpole grow. The tadpole starts losing its tail. It begins to look like its parents. When fully grown, the frog completely loses its tail. It comes out of the pond and starts living on damp land, eating insects, beetles, and worms. And students, do you know an adult frog breathes through the lungs on land and through the moist skin in water? Students, do you know how are fish and frogs alike? Yes, both fish and frog lay their eggs in water. The young one of both breathe through their gills. But do you know one more thing? How are frogs and fish different? Yes, a fish dies when taken out of water, but a frog can live both on land and in water. Students, as you all know that lizards, crocodiles, alligators, snakes and turtles are all reptiles. They lay eggs in a safe place on the ground. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun. After a few days, the baby reptiles hatch out from the eggs. And do you know, crocodiles look after their young ones for a short period. But lizards, snakes, and turtles do not look after their young ones. Students, you must have seen many animals that give birth to babies. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them on their milk are called mammals. Most mammals have hair on their bodies. Humans, dogs, cats, horses, lions, bears, and elephants are examples of mammals. Dolphins and whales look like fish, but they are mammals. Even bats are mammals. The baby develops inside the mother's body. It stays inside the mother's body for several weeks or months and is then born. The mother feeds the baby with her own milk and protects it until it learns to look after itself. Babies grow big, strong, and healthy with their mother's milk. Students, as you all know that many features are there which differentiate mammals from other animals. Most mammals give birth to fully formed young ones. They feed their young ones with their own milk. But kangaroo gave birth to a joy that is not fully developed. It lives in its mother pouch and grows strong. So, in this module, we learned about different life cycles of different animals. Thank you and have a nice day.